are standing right outside Project Exodus, but now it has a new name, HYPERIA. I was literally about to call it Project HYPERIA because I thought it was Project Exodus. I was getting mixed up. Okay, this is going to be a hypercoaster for UK's tallest and fastest roller coaster, right outside Silver Ride in Colossus. And if you look at Colossus's height, 98 foot, that seems quite high. I just want to say that. I know it is the UK's tallest and fastest roller coaster, but 236 foot, that is pretty high. I've never gone 236 foot on a roller coaster. So, next year in 2024, I'm excited to experience HYPERIA. But now we're going to look through the peepholes. Peepholes. It's coming in 2024. Don't miss it. So through this hole, you may be able to glimpse on the very far left, kind of to the top, near those fences, you could have saw some support. But if we look over here, you can take a glance at what I think is the lowest part of the drop, the first drop, the lowest part. So here it is. This is the Project Exodus model, HYPERIA, in the Thorpe Park megastore in the tugboat opposite Tidal Wave. This is a very small, complex model of HYPERIA, and from the looks of this model, it looks like we're going to have a very good ride on it in 2024.